welcome to what I hope will be the first of many video diaries as I document the progress that I make on the Medium platform. I know a number of people who read my newsletter or watch me here on YouTube are also interested in Medium as a writing platform, but it feels really overwhelming, it feels intimidating, and it's really quite scary. So I thought I would share my journey in the hope that it will inspire you too to have a go. What actually is Medium? Well, Medium is simply another platform, another social media platform, if you like, where you can write posts as blog posts and share them to a different audience. I first started on Medium back in 2015-2016 when I repurposed 3 blog posts from my actual blog, my home blog, and put them up onto the platform. They did not do very well at all, and so I gave up. I don't know what the reason is for me not continuing, but I have 3 blog posts up there from that time. It stayed like that until recently when a couple of members of the Confident Creative Club said that they were creating an account on there and they had started writing on there, and this kind of piqued my interest and I thought I would have a look. I signed up for a month's free trial, so I wasn't just limited to reading, I think it's 3 articles you can read per month for free. I signed up to the free trial and just started reading, and I was instantly hooked. I still have my account on there back in 2015-2016, so I think I might have updated my photo, but that was it. I already had my account, and the account is linked to your Twitter account, and this is when I used to be a lot more, I don't even go on Twitter anymore. So this was when I was very into Twitter, and those people who follow you on Twitter and also have a Medium account will then show up in your follow account. So I already started with just over 50 followers. Why did I start writing on Medium? Well, for me, this was because of a number of reasons. Number one, I made it part of my writing strategy. I'm currently writing a non-fiction book proposal, and I wanted to build a wider readership for literary agents and publishers to see. So this is a way of providing social proof and demonstrating that I have authority in a particular subject area. Number 2, I wanted a new challenge. I like to push myself out of my comfort zone every now and again, even though it's really scary, even though it gives me butterflies and I just want to hide under my desk. I still try and do something so I don't get too comfortable in what I'm doing. And then number 3, with consistency and effort and time, there is the possibility that, like on YouTube, I could become monetized on Medium, because they also have a partner program where you can earn a few dollars. But I just wanted to give it a go. I just wanted to experiment and have a little bit of fun with it. During March, just gone, I have written 2 articles on Medium, and I have to say that very first one that I did, I was absolutely terrified. Do you know, I've not felt so nervous about putting something on the internet or creating something for an incredibly long time. So I'm glad I did it, but it was one of those moments that I just wanted to hide under my desk, hands shaking, feeling a little bit sick, all of that. But I did it, I pressed publish. I didn't give in to the fears that were trying to stop me inside my head. I talked about it. I shared it with members of the Confident Creative Club, and I also put it on my Instagram stories. During April, I've decided to write write and upload one article every single day. So that would be 30 days of April, so that will be 30 articles. This is for a number of reasons. So number one, so I become less terrified each time I press that publish button. Number two, so I get used to writing in this format and get better at writing in this format. There is lots and lots for me to learn. Things like creating titles that make people want to read, maybe experimenting with word length. Sometimes shorter articles might be better, sometimes longer, just to have fun, experiment and play around with it, to create momentum within myself and getting into that practice of writing an article every day. The more I write, hopefully, the quicker I'll get to the required followers to join their partner program. And at this moment in time, you need 100 followers to be accepted on the partner program and also have published at least one article, I believe. Now today, as I record this, it is the 1st of April. So this morning, the first thing I did was to upload an article. And I'm wondering whether I need to experiment with the times of the day that I press the publish button. Maybe it might be better to do things in the afternoon when the US has woken up. I don't know. This is going to be the sort of thing that I experiment with and play around with and see what works best. I am currently writing my articles in Scrivener and have transferred some previous newsletters and blog posts from my helenredfernwriter.com blog in the hope that I can repurpose those articles. Now, they won't be a straight copy and paste, but they'll require edits, additional words or subtracting words, and some reformatting. I also have lots of other content that might inspire me. So I've got things from my masterclasses, I've got Instagram posts, YouTube posts, Instagram videos. I've also got my ebooks, my workbooks that I could use elements of that to inspire me to write articles. Lots of different things, but also every day, or well, maybe not every day, but at least a couple of times a week, I'm going to have an idea session where I spend 10 minutes each time just writing down lots of ideas. And as soon as I have an idea, I write it in my journal, or I simply write it straight into the Scrivener document and put bullet points of the sort of things I might cover within that particular article idea with a kind of working title for a headline. So I'm going to try and update you once a week in terms of how I get on, particularly during the month of April. After April, I might go down to once a month in terms of updating, but I will see how I get on. But in terms of statistics, as of today, I have 83 followers. This is because, as I said earlier, it's connected to my Twitter account and it automatically adds people who follow you on Twitter and also have a Medium account. I've also gained about 30 followers in the last week or so, as I've talked about it more on Instagram, in my newsletter, with fellow members of the Confident Creative Club. In terms of stats, I've gone from having 0 views, 0 reads and 0 fans to 190 views, 112 reads and 34 fans in the past 30 days, although this obviously started from March the 21st when I uploaded my first article in 6 years. So let me know if you'd like to create a Medium account, if you're already on there, or if you have any questions. I mean, I am simply a beginner, but I will try and answer anything that you ask me, and if not, I'll go and find out. I hope you enjoy this series. I'll see you again next week. Oh, and come and follow me on there. I will put up my address here and I'll also put it in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye.